In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Figma. Whether you're designing a website, a mobile app, or a simple mockup, getting your text size right is essential for readability and visual hierarchy. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process of changing font size in Figma, step by step, so you can confidently adjust your typography as you design. First, make sure you have your Figma file open and that you're in the design view, not the prototype presentation. Start by selecting the design element that contains the text you want to adjust. This could be a text layer on a frame, a button label, a heading, or any other text object. You can click directly on the text in your canvas, or, if it's easier, you can select it from the Layers panel on the left side of the screen. Once the text is selected, you'll see its properties appear in the right-hand sidebar in the Design panel. Now, in that right-hand panel, look for the section labeled Typography. This is where Figma groups all the styling controls related to your text, including the font family, weight, size, line height, and letter spacing. If your panel is collapsed or you don't immediately see typography, scroll a bit or expand the section to reveal the options. It's helpful to remember that every change you make here will update the selected text in real time, so you can visually check how your design responds as you go. Within the typography section, locate the field that shows the font size. This is usually represented as a number followed by px for pixels, such as 14, 16, or 32. Click directly on that number. When you do, it becomes editable. At this point, you have a couple of options. You can type in a new value manually, which is useful if you already know the exact size you want, like 18 or 24. Or you can use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge the size incrementally, which is great for fine-tuning until it looks just right. After you've entered or selected your desired font size, simply press enter or click outside the field to apply it. Take a moment to zoom in and out of your design and see how the new size feels within the overall layout. If you're working with multiple text layers, repeat the same process for each, or use Figma's selection tools to adjust several at once. With just these simple actions, you can quickly control the hierarchy and readability of your designs by changing font size in Figma.